G'day, today's little project is a dryer. Now, Simpson Clothes 455, and we'll see what happens when we power this on. Always power it on without the heat on, so hey, that's a good sign. So, yep, safety reset works. Okay, so we've got motor drive, that's perfect, but don't have any air, so I'll put my trusty anemometer here. Absolutely nothing. So what's going on? See how fast we can fix this dryer. Right, I come down to the business end. We've got two screws. Got one in here. Got one down there. And I suspect it'll be nothing more than a fan belt. Oh, it's a dead fan belt. Hooray. Luckily, I keep some spares of these bad boys. And what you need to do, string that up. I can only do this with two hands. Okay. Put this back on. Alright, try it again. Oh, I can hear some noise already. Beautiful. There we go. How long did that take? 1 minute fix. Now we've got a half heat function. We've got a full heat function. And if we go to full heat and go up to our trusty wall-mounted power meter, let's see what we get. Okay, 1.9 kilowatts, which means our thermostats are working and we're heating up. All good, all fixed. Now when this gets down to 30 minutes, it goes into automatic cool down mode, and that's when you can see it say airing down there. And eventually it'll turn off. Bingo, one fixed dryer. Quick fix, there you go.